Okay, all this shit on the ground that's falling is bugging me. I know you can't hear me, but I'm gonna try and clean the inside now with my mask on. Jesus Christ, you can put it in here. I told you. I told you. Yeah, okay, there's the door. Go out the door. No, don't go there. Go outside. Go outside. Oh, dum-dum. Out here. Fancy, you can eat your ass. Okay, dum-dum. I knew there was something in there. This had to be. So I saved a bird, but he's in my house now. Yeah, okay, maybe he can go outside. Okay, bud. Okay, settle down, settle down. Did he get outside? No, he went in the bathroom. Great. Great, it's perfect. Okay, open up some doors here. Yeah, so I knew something goofy was going on. Whoa, here he goes. Come on, don't poop on the place. Just find your way out. Come on. Come on, dummy. Oh, there he goes. He got outside. Thank God. Okay. So, bye-bye, birdie. I knew something was up. I told you. Wow, that was scary. I was not expecting. So there you go. I saved a bird. And the only reason I did save that bird is I kept seeing all that crap falling out, and I didn't know what it was. So now I know. So watch out for birds in your Cheechin stack. Bye bye.